Friends, I am super duper excited about this unboxing, and this is my very first brand new Louis Vuitton purchase, and I can't even say that it was my purchase. This was a birthday gift to me from my husband and my girls, and this is something that I wanted for a very long time. I have had designer bags, but none of them has cost as much as this dream gift. So to receive this on my birthday was a super duper big surprise, and I wanted to share it with you, my friends here. So I am so in love with the packaging, and I just can't wait to dig in. So I tried to do it at this angle because I want you to be able to see it, and I know what's in here. I've opened it, I've screamed, I did all the things. Okay, so let's get started. I love this ribbon, and I want to pre-package the box or repackage the box and use this ribbon again. I love that it is so clean. Eek, eek, eek. There it is. It's in its dust bag. This cute envelope here has like the receipt, a thank you card from Louis Vuitton, and I didn't even take time to even look at that. A return label. This ain't going nowhere. So that's what was in this envelope. And in the dust bag, let me move the box out of the way. What's in here? What's in here? Oh my goodness. It's the Louis Vuitton Neverfull, and this size is the GM size. Here it is. The Neverfull GM size in the monogram. And I wanted my first Louis Vuitton bag to be in the traditional monogram. I love it. Now, we'll say this GM is massive. It is really massive. And I know that when I was talking about my bag that I wanted, I did specify that I wanted the PM. No, not the PM. I wanted the MM, and got lost in translation, but I am so grateful. This bag is not going back. Once my husband realized that it was another size that I wanted, he told me that I could also get that bag, not this week or nothing like that, but just hold on to this one, and then I could get the smaller bag later. But then now that I have this one, I may have something else on my mind from Louis Vuitton that I would want to add to my brand new collection, because there are some other things that I want. Okay, so here is the inside of the bag, and right here it has the inside pocket with a zip. I can put things in there, and it's a nice size inside pocket. And then on the inside of it, there is the smaller pouch. There it is on the inside. It has the two compartments inside of the bag. I love this because this can accompany this bag with everything that I'm going to organize in it. And if I am just out hanging with the girls, I can just take this and just put my essentials in here. So I am excited about that. And I didn't get a special colored interior. I stayed with, and I don't know the exact name of this interior, but I had a good friend who knew exactly what I wanted, and she pretty much told my husband what to order. So I am so grateful for her for doing that. But look at all of that space in here. Can you see that? This is not just a fake name, Neverfull. This bag could hardly ever get full. So my concern when I saw this bag was that it is huge, and I do carry a purse every day, and I didn't want to, you know, run into a store real quick and carry this massive bag with me. So I was really worried about the size and if I needed to send this back to get something smaller. So I got on YouTube and I started to look at reviews of those who have this bag. And these straps right here, and keep in mind this is my very first bag, so I wasn't too familiar with the bags, but I noticed that bags did have these two straps right here on the sides. And when I was watching the reviews, they made points about, you know, these massive bags like this are perfect for travel. So if I wanted to travel or work. So that is another option for me to do. If I wanted to carry this as a work bag and put my laptop, my lunch, file folders, anything else work related, I can put it in here and carry it to work. If I am going to overnight somewhere or traveling, whenever the country really opens up and we start traveling again, this will be good for that. But I do want to carry it from time to time on a daily basis. So one of the reviews was, and I think this does it on the MM, but just cinch the sides of it, folds in, just like that. I'm gonna do the other side, just like this, and it just cinches the sides. Did I do that right? And look, it shaves some weight off of the bag, and it's still big, but I feel better carrying this size versus having it all the way out. So see, it's cinched in, and that's when it's not. That made me feel better. So I was like, oh, I have a 2-in-1. So I can carry my big bag, and then when I need to fill it up with more things, I can open the sides of it. So I think that's a plus to this bag. And it does not have a zipper. As you can see, it doesn't have a zipper to close, but it does have this little clasp right here that you can close it up. I love it. I love it. And that is my unboxing. Girlfriends, I love it. I love it. I'm so happy. And this is like the perfect birthday gift because this is something that I wanted. I wanted to try to get this for myself. He beat me to it, so happy about that. And I am going to, so that it won't have those folds in it, because when it was shipped, they did fold it. I am going to stick packing paper or you know, plastic bags from the store. I'm going to fold this bag up with those so that the bag can have some form in it. And now I need to go online and see about getting an organizer for the inside of the bag so that it can also keep some shape. And I did see where you can get something, you can get not a board, but a stable system to lay flat in the bottom of the bag so that it will also keep its shape. But that's my birthday present. I love it. I love it. If you have a Louis Vuitton bag, it doesn't have to be a Neverfull, but any other style that you really, really like and you get a lot of use out of it, let me know down in the comment area. I would love to hear from you. I would love to search the different styles. And I want you to also like this video if you have not. And please subscribe. Stay and subscribe. All right. That's it. Have a great day, friends. Bye.